In this video I will show you how to create zip file in Windows 11. So first need a software. This software WinRAR. Download. I have already download and install. This icon click and download. Okay, you can see already download and open here. Yes, and install. I have already installed and this pop-up showing add desktop and okay. So this is WinRAR download. I want this folder a create zip file. So folder click and right click. After that add to archive. I want zip file this folder. So zip click. If you want this folder set password, so set password click like 123 and again 1234 and password set okay and okay. So zip file create. You can see this is my zip file or this is my zip normal file. So same file create zip file. So any folder you can easily zip file create this method use. If you do not want to download WinRAR this software, so go to Google and type ilovezip.com. So this website open. After that select file like I want this video convert zip file open. Select my video and convert button. This is here convert and download zip. You can see zip file download. You can see this is my zip file. Okay, many option here showing, so use according you. Okay, so this video I show you two method, any method use, but first method is genuine and the best protected. So choice your. This video informative, like and subscribe.